Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipinamunchkin channel! Maayong gabi sa mga kababayan ko pong mga Bisaya. Maayong gabi sa inyo. At good morning America! It's another day, another adventure. I hope you will like the video. It's about cooking again. Please watch until the end. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much in advance to all of you, my subscriber. Thank you so much. At sa mga kababayan ko po, maraming salamat. Let's watch the video. White rice. Red rice. I'm going to soak it. Soak the red rice for 30 minutes. And also I have the sweet potato from my garden. I harvest the sweet potato like last week, so it's kinda, they're not look fresh, but that's okay. Let me try. Not too bad. Probably too much, huh? Oh, I have the sweet potato that I already cut it. I soak it with water. That way the color doesn't change. So I have the red rice, and I'm going to wash it. I already soaked this for 30 minutes. So wash that. It's good if you wash it really good, because some of the rice that stuck in your storage or in your pantry is not the kind of smell, not too bad smell, but it's not a fresh smell. And the white rice, I'm going to wash the white rice. The total of the rice is 2 cups. All right, we mix it. Mix the white and the red rice. Mix well. 2 cups of water. Cool a little bit. For extra moist or soft. And then I'm going to put the sweet potato. Mix it. Mix the sweet potato there. Cover it. And we put that in the rice at the cooker. So I already turned on the rice cooker, and we will check in 30 minutes. So time to check, already 30 minutes. So the rice, ta-da! It's cooked. So this is how it looks like. Ayan, mga kamanskin. That's how I do. Sometimes, when I want the rice like, feel like you're in the Philippines. So this is what I do. I miss the red rice. So over here, the red rice is really, really red. So I just mix the red rice and the white rice. And then I put the sweet potato that came from my garden. So look, it's beautiful. So I'm going to taste it later when I already cook the dish. I'm going to cook vegetables and fish. So stay tuned. Put the cover back. It's already hot. So we put the fish. There we go. And we're going to cover it just to avoid the splattered oil. So I cover it. We will check in a little bit. So time to check. Looks good. So check again. It's good. Cover it. We'll see. Okay. It's already cooked. There you go. So ayan, I'm putting olive oil to the pan. I'm so proud of my pan. Kasi galing po yan ng Pilipinas. It's a Philippine product. My frying pan. Ayan, I'm so proud with the Philippine product. I brought that from the Philippines. Ayan. So, ayan. Aanuhin muna natin. I'm putting garlic. And then onion. Saute. And I'm putting alugbati. Alugbati is a sour spinach, I believe. Alugbati in my language. A little bit of salt. Seasoning. Ayan, tatakipan muna natin. Ayan. Wala na pong tubig yan. So, ayan. Check. Ayan. It's almost cooked. Just stir or saute. And then, Ayan, I'm going to put the dried hipon or alamang in Tagalog. Alamang in Tagalog. Ayan, looks good. So, ayan. It's a very simple dish. It's just vegetables and I put so how that looks like. I put the fried fish that I fried. It looks, so, and then I put a little bit of ng ginisang gulay, alugbati, hot chili. Ayan, kain po tayo. Leave a comment below. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think. You can just leave a comment. Like and subscribe. Filipinamunchkin. Ayan. Napakasarap po. Masarap siya. Yung ano, it's very delicious. And the rice and the spinach and fish. Very yummy. I really miss the rice with sweet potato. And also a little bit spicy because I put hot chili and with the vegetables. Ayan mga kamanskin. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. It's so delicious, my lunch. You can follow me in my Facebook page, Filipinamunchkin. I'm so full now. Yes, it's so hot. It's so spicy. But I ate some of the hot chili. Thank you so much for watching. And this is your Filipinamunchkin. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. To all of you, my subscriber, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you in my next one. Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga adventures. Sa mga kababayan ko po, maraming salamat. Sana po supportan niyo po ako sa aking adventure. Mag-subscribe po sa aking channel. Follow my Facebook page, The Filipinamunchkin. God bless you all and I love you. Bye-bye.